Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
I'm no drama queen, but I'm all about a little drama when you walk into your living room. So in this home, they had a very traditional living room. Flat ceilings, low ceilings. There used to be a fireplace in the middle of this wall and two small windows. It just felt kind of small and enclosed and cramped. We decided we needed to do something about that. So what we did was completely renovate the ceilings by raising them to giving this gorgeous cathedral ceiling. We added tongue and groove wood, great beams to accent it, and as you can see, that same design flows straight through to the nice deck outside. When you've got a view like this, you want to capitalize on that. The original plan for this room was not to have as much glass, but once we got into it, we realized we needed to make a few changes. These gorgeous quadruple doors open straight out onto the deck, and we added these beautiful transom windows. It lets in beautiful, natural morning light. This is another spot in this house you just want to come and drink a cup of coffee. So it doesn't really matter what type of project you want, whether it's a bath or a kitchen remodel, a new deck, a new porch, a sunroom, call the F&S Building Innovations Team. We can help you from design to completion with 3D renderings and then complete the project for you. Give us a call.
For more than 40 years, F&S Building Innovations has delivered true quality that stands the test of time.
And just look at it, it's beautiful.
It is steadfast.
That's just a special finish that just makes it a little more high-end.
It is enduring.
And look how gorgeous it is.
F&S Building Innovations, built on a firm foundation of faith and family. Whatever you need, F&S Building Innovations can help you.
So if you're thinking about a renovation, call the F&S Building Innovations Team. We can help you from design to completion.